quick new recipe of the best burgers in the world. Beefy onion soup mix. Brisket mixed hamburger patties. Couple tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. Then you mix. Take the hamburger meat, spread it out in this bacon. Then get the roll on. Boom, just like that. Probably stick a toothpick in there to hold it. You got a nice little bacon appetizer. I'm gonna do a couple of these and then I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna make a hamburger. A new spin on bacon burger bites right here. Let's call these bacon burger spin wheels. Then take the large pinwheel and you make you a super burger. Bacon, throw that on the pit. A little special dressing that we're gonna put on top of those burgers. Put ketchup. Really simple. Little milk. My cat, I'm gonna put my cat on the grill too. A little mayonnaise and a little Dijon. Look. And then we're just gonna have to add a little bit more ketchup to this. Then more ketchup. Get a little bit of color. No animals will be harmed in the making of this video. Maybe. Ooh, twang, ketchup, smooth with the mustard. You can use those, you can dip those bites in here, or you can slather it on your burger. Let me go one more little squirt of ketchup. There we go. Blot up, throw your cheese on there. I got those burgers on that pit about 400 degrees. The longest part is gonna be making sure that bacon crisps up, but I think it should be fine. This little picture right here will definitely take your burger to the next level. Drop that onion on there like that. Slide that cheese on top of that onion. Drop that onion like that. Drop that cheese on top of that onion. And wait till when I come back in when it's all done. There you go, folks. See how that onion's holding that cheese, that bacon around there? The little swirls. The other with the cheese, bacon. Let's build it now. Toast these buns before I get ready for this burger, baby. Slather with a little butter. Let's build this burger, folks. Let's get some of that special sauce. I know what y'all thinking. It looks like McDonald's sauce. Nah. McDonald's ain't got nothing on their sauce. Run those back in front of you. Ooh. Take that. Drop it on the bun. Got to make sure you get those toothpicks out of it. What are these? I might have to eat this burger right there on it. Little pickle. My wife's going with spicy pickle. I'm going with the regular kosher dill. Toothpicks out. One. There's two toothpicks. Toothpicks are out. Top bun on top of that. Delicioso. Gotta get that bread cutting knife. There you go, folks. Look at that. Look at that. Look at this side over here. Let me let you see it. Look at it. Look at it. I know you want it. Look at it. Look at that bacon. My onion fell. Onion got some smoke on it. Sweet. That is probably the best burger. I make a lot of great burgers, but that one right there, over the top. Bacon. Oh, almost forgot. Look at my swirl. Make sure you pull off the toothpick. Look at that swirl. Dip it in that sauce. Oh! If you're watching what you're eating, unlike my fat ass, you get something great like my queen got. Ooh, that look good on a tortilla.